Hello, students. This is me, teacher Bruno, and today we're going to compare two very important verbs, the present simple and present continuous. These are basic verbs for all students, but especially for beginners. The present simple is used for habits, regular and repeated activities. For example, we study English. That is a habit, that is a repeated action, and for this reason, present simple. Example 1, I wash my hair every day. I study every day. I go to work every day. Those are habits, routines, present simple. Facts and permanent situations. I have one brother. I live in Brazil. Water boils at 100 degrees. Those are permanent situations. Those are facts. Present simple. Now let's take a look at present continuous. Present continuous is used for actions that are happening right now. For example, you are listening to me. Actions in progress right now. You are studying English. And to form the present continuous, we simply add ing. Play, playing, study, studying, watch, watching, listen, listening. ing. This is present continuous. Not only actions that are happening right now, but for longer actions. I am reading a book. Not necessarily right now, but a longer action. I am studying Japanese. Not necessarily right now, but in this process. Some sign-on words, words that helps us use it correctly are now, at the moment, these days, this week, and this month. Let's take a look at some sign-on words for present simple. All adverbs of frequency. Always, occasionally, often, sometimes, rarely, hardly ever, never. All adverbs of frequency require the present simple because adverbs of frequency, that is a habit. And for habits, we use present simple. These two verbs are very important, so it's necessary to reveal them and study. Let's take a look at some further examples here. I never go to the library. That's a habit. I go to the library on Saturdays. Frequency. I don't drink coffee. Permanent situation. She's very tall. I have two brothers. I like soup. Permanent situations. Adverbs of frequency, usually, or expressions of frequency. Once a week, twice a week, 3 times, 4 times. Adverbs of frequency, present simple. It's important to mention stative verbs and or non-action verbs. These verbs over here, they are not physical actions like love, hate, etc., etc. They're mental states. And we don't add ing. So we don't say they're having a new car. That is wrong. I like chocolate, but I can't say I'm liking chocolate. These stative verbs don't go well with ing. Present continuous. Actions at the moment of speaking. I'm watching TV. You're watching a YouTube video. Happening right now. These days, at the moment, temporary or permanent. If you have a permanent situation, we use present simple. If you have a temporary situation, we use continuous. I'm living in Edinburgh. That is temporary. I'm working in an office. That's not fixed. That's temporary. That's not permanent. So these are the differences we have between present simple and present continuous. If you have any further questions, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you around next video. Thank you.